Hi, third graders. It's Miss Peterson again. We are going to do some more cursive today. Now, this one is a very interesting letter. Now, if you remember from the videos before, this is capital letter G. Okay? So this one, I'm going to do a review because it has quite a few steps. You're going to start at the bottom, curl all the way up to the top line, go down for a loop, then you're staying at the midline, coming up, swinging down to the left, out, and over. Now I'm going to show you how to do it, and then we'll review together. So once again, you're going to curve up to the top line, make a small loop, then down to the midline, up, down, out, and over. It's kind of a funny looking letter, but it is capital letter G. Curve up to the top, down to the midline, down, out, and over. Now, if you look at this part of, I'll do it up here so it's bigger. This part, the out and over, kind of is like the T and the F shape that we do in those capital letters. So what you're going to do is you're going to curve up, down, back up, out for a short arm. Loop, back down and out and over. So if I were to write the word girl, it would look like that. Let's do some more together. And I know maybe you guys think it's not as fun to do cursive like this as opposed to the classroom, which I understand. I would much rather teach you guys in the classroom, but it's still important to know that this is what the capital letter G looks like. Okay? So let's go ahead and turn our page. Maybe you guys remember what capital letter this letter is, but this is the capital letter for S. Now this has a couple of steps where you're going to start at the bottom, curve up to the top for a loop, down, out, and over. So I'm going to do it on the lines that are a little bit bigger so it's easy to see. So you're going to start at the baseline, loop up to the top, down, out, and over. Now, when I was in third grade, I thought this looked like a treble clef, like for music. Maybe you guys don't think that. So you curve up to the top, make your loop, down, out, and over. Okay, so let's go ahead and do some practice with some words. This is the word for get. Curve up, loop, up, down, and out. And then for E, T. Loop, down, up, down, out, and over. Loop up, down, out, and over. Maybe you're following along. Oops, I forgot to do the two letters. That's okay though. And if you are, great. If you're not, maybe you can replay this video again so you can see how you'll be able to do it on your own. Here's the word for gap. Then the word for glad. Now let's move on to stand. I really miss teaching cursive on the big board in the classroom. I think it's a lot easier than this, but you know, times are different, so we're going to make sure that we stay flexible. Here's the word step. Maybe you guys are practicing your cursive, maybe with your names. And then the word send. Good job, you guys, and I will see you guys soon.